Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 14th at Dollar General. I have a totally free scenario to share with you all. Plus, we're going to go over some very helpful tips. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you guys this week, so if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. I will have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also have a quick update from yesterday's video where we talked about the Dollar General Christmas 25-cent sale. So in that video, I told you guys that I would have the Christmas visuals video part 1 up yesterday on Thursday, and then part 2 would be today on Friday. However, we've had some storms rolling through and my internet is being super slow about uploading videos or uploading anything at all. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that part 1 will be done today. So be on the lookout for that. And then I will upload part 2 tomorrow on Saturday. So you guys make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on those videos. Alright, so now we're going to talk about some helpful tips. So, first of all, over the last couple of weeks, I've had several people ask me, how do we get to your community page? So, if you look on your screen here, this is the video from yesterday. If you look right below it, you're going to see my name. You want to make sure that you're subscribed first and foremost. But if you click on my name, that is going to take you to my home page. And then once you're on my home page, you're going to see right up there at the top, I have a little finger pointing at it. It says Home, Videos, Shorts, Playlist. And then if you scroll that over just a little bit, you're going to see Community. You want to click on Community, and that is going to bring you to the Community tab. Now, once you're on the community page, you guys can scroll through there and see that I post all kinds of stuff, everything from coupon matchups to quick little deals to clearance items that I'm finding and updates on videos. Alright, now the next thing I want to talk to y'all about is the comments section. So when you leave comments underneath my videos, I do try to go back and reply to everybody, or at least give your comment a heart or a thumbs up. If you have questions, I always try to go back and answer your questions. But I'm afraid that some of you guys might not know that I'm replying to you all. So a really easy way to check and see if I have replied to your comments, or if other crazy couponers have replied to your comments, because there are several of you guys out there who jump in and help me answer questions, and I absolutely love that and greatly appreciate it. But anyways, if you want to see if anybody has replied to your comments, all you have to do is open up your YouTube app and click on the little bell icon up there at the top. Now, if you have your notifications set to all, like I recommend, when you click on that little bell icon, it will actually show you anybody who has replied to your comments, and it will also show you the latest videos from any channels that you are subscribed to. Now, another way to find the most recent videos from the channels that you are subscribed to is to hit the subscription button at the bottom of your YouTube app. So hopefully that helps a few of you all out. I know that technology and social medias and all the things, all of that can be frustrating and aggravating when you can't find the things that you're looking for. So hopefully that makes things a little bit easier. All right, now my next tip for you guys is to listen to the entire video. Listen to it all the way through. Because when I make my videos, I do make the slides for you guys to make it a little bit easier. That way you can just take a screenshot, save it into your phone, and you can reference that later on in the day or later on in the week whenever you go out couponing. However, that makes it really easy for people to just skip through, get the screenshots, and go on about their day. And trust me, I get it. I completely understand we are all super busy in today's day and age. However, when you do that, you might be missing out on important information and your deals might not come out as planned. All right, so just please make sure that you listen to the entire video. That way you don't miss out on important details. So, for example, with my 5 off $25 scenario videos, I usually mention the good deals and glitch list video. So that is a video that I try to put out at least once every couple of weeks, if not every week for you all, just depending on how many good deals and glitches that we have. If we only have a couple, I don't think that I need to put together a video just to share with you guys a couple of coupon matchups that we probably already talked about in the new coupons video, right? So it really just depends. But I usually mention the good deals and glitch list video in the 5 off $25 scenario video because that is a great video to go back and reference and get more ideas for substitutions for your deals. So I'm actually going to link this video for you down in the pinned comment below because even though this video is from last week, a lot of those deals are still going on this week. Now, some of the sales have ended and some of the coupons did expire last Saturday. However, the majority of them are still good to go, and I do know that the majority of those glitches are still working as well. Alright, so now we're about to get into our 5 off $25 scenario. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very, very important to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And also, I did notice a few price increases this week with some of our coupon matchups. All right, now our first scenario is going to be a gain deal. So again, it is going to be very, very important to scan. You want to scan each and every item to make sure that the Gain DG Store coupon shows up underneath each Gain or Gain scented product because the Gain DG Store coupons do not always work with all Gain products or all Gain scented products. So for our first scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Swiffer liquid refills at $6.75 each. Make sure that those are Gain scented. 2 of the Swiffer mop cloth refills at $5.50 each. Again, make sure that those are Gain scented. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each. Again, make sure that is Gain scented. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1 and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $33. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain, your 5 off 25 DG Store coupon, your 10 off 2 Swiffer products, your 6 off 2 Swiffer products, your $3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean, your 2 off 1 Oral-B, and your 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. And that is going to make your subtotal after coupons completely free, plus give you 25 cents in overage. Now, as you guys saw last week, my overage did apply to my taxes. However, in the event that it does not, do not allow the cashiers to give you cash back. Throw in a pack of gum or something else from the dollar aisle for that overage to apply to. But we don't want our cashiers getting in trouble, so make sure that they do not ever give you cash back. All right, now I have had a couple of people comment on the Oral-B toothbrushes and the Crest toothpaste. So I know that there's a couple of you guys out there who are getting aggravated with me adding in the Oral-B and the Crest. Even though I do say in every video there are other substitutions that you can add in that would be super quick, simple, and easy, or you can just leave those items off altogether on the majority of my scenarios. So, to make life a little bit easier for you guys, if you want to do this deal without the Oral-B and Crest toothpaste, that is going to put your subtotal at $31. After coupons, you are going to pay $1.75 for 8 items, making each one just 21 cents each. Now, I've also had a couple of comments and emails about the $5 off Gain DG Store coupon not stacking. Specifically, if you have a new system at your store, that's where people are having the most problems. Now, I do know that some people have been successful at their stores with the new systems with getting both of those coupons to stack and work together. So, if you have a new system at your store and you don't have any other options, that is the store that you have and that's what you're stuck with, I would try using a paper 5 off $25 coupon. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can always just pay $5 more. So with this deal that I've shared with you all in this video, that would make your subtotal after coupons $6.75, which is still a fantastic deal. Or you can void the transaction. That way your coupons will stay on your account and you can try to go to another store and see if you can get the deal to work there. Now, number 3, you guys definitely need to be calling and emailing customer service and complaining about your coupons not stacking any longer. Because if Dollar General doesn't know that we care enough to call and email and complain about this issue, they're not going to be trying to fix anything with that new system, okay? So make sure that you guys are sending in those complaints for those specific stores. Now, number 4, keep in mind that I'm not customer service, so please do not come and complain to me about what Dollar General is doing. I have no power. I wish that I did. But you can email me or leave a comment below this video if you have questions or if you need extra help. I have helped so many people one-on-one for free figure out how to coupon at Dollar General. All right, I even have some people that have my personal phone number. So if you guys need extra help, do not hesitate to reach out. All right, next up, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls priced at $5.95 each, 2 of the Microban sanitizing sprays at $6 each, 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers at $3.25 each, 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $30.45. Now, really quick, I want to use this deal as a quick example. So you guys hear me talk about substitute. If you guys need substitutions, go check out the Good Deals and Glitch List video, right? Well, let's say that you guys are in the store, you're going to do this deal, and your store is completely out of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Well, a really quick, easy substitution would be the Febreze products. So you could pick up the wax melts, the small spaces, or the sprays, priced at $3.25 each. And that's going to put your subtotal still at $30.45. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the 6 off 2 Microban, the $3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $8.20 for 9 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue. So you can either pick up the Angel Soft Ultra or the Scented Tube Angel Soft bath tissue. That's going to make your final price $7.20 for 9 items, making each one just 80 cents each. Now again, to make math a little bit easier for you all, if you don't have the Oral-B and the Crest products at your store, that's going to put your subtotal at $28.45. After coupons, you're going to pay $10.20 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $1 from Ibotta. That's going to make your final price $9.20 for 9 items, making each one just $1.02 each. All right, so for our third scenario, you want to pick up one of the Finish 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, one of the Sparkle 6-count paper towels at $6.95, one of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1, 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size for $2 each, one of the Bic Soleil or Flex razors priced at $5.50, one of the Rexall Vitamin D 360 count at $2.15, one emergency 2-count at $1, one of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $26.45. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 150 off 1 finished product, the 2 off 1 Sparkle paper towels, 50 cents off 1 Lysol, 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, 3 off 1 Bic razors, 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, 1 off 1 emergency, 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons at $5.45 for all 10 items, making each one just 54 cents each. And again, to make things a little bit easier, if you do not have the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes or the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at your store, don't worry about it. Just leave those off that scenario and then add in one of the 9 Lives 12-ounce cat foods at $1.35 or one of the Suave 1.4-ounce deodorants at $1.35. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.80. You are going to need an additional coupon, though. You're going to either need the 75-cent off one 9 Lives cat food or the 75-cent off one Suave deodorant. And that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to just $8.05 for 10 items, making each one just 80 cents each. Now, if you guys need more ideas or substitutions, make sure that you go back and check out the Good Deals and Glitch List video. Like I said, I'm going to have that link for you in the pinned comment down below. And I do want to apologize that this video is a little bit longer than normal, and I didn't get to put together as many scenarios as I normally do, but I thought that it was really important that I kind of went into detail with you guys this week and actually showed you all how to substitute, how your deals will come out if you leave off the Crest and the Oral-B toothbrushes and things like that. So hopefully that helped a few of you all out. And like I said, if you guys ever have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Alright guys, that is going to be it for me for now. Make sure that y'all stay tuned because I will have your Christmas visuals video part 1 coming up for you all next. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, make sure that you turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.